Hi you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I am going to show you how I achieve my high puff. I get tons of compliments when I wear my hair like this. They're like, oh my gosh, your hair is so thick in the ponytail. But I'm going to show you some tricks, or actually one trick. That's the main trick when you do a high puff ponytail. I'm just going to show you how I achieve this look. And I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video.
Alright, my hair is not freshly washed. I usually do my high puffs when my other style is kind of wearing down. So then I go for my high puff for the rest of the week until I wash my hair. So I'm going to start off with a spray bottle, just filled with water. I'm also going to use my Wetline Extreme Gel. And you can use any gel that you like. That's also a little paddle brush. I kind of do that just to puff out my hair. And I use my Deman Brush. That gives you that sleek look. And then I also sometimes go over it with a regular brush. And then you need your edge brush so your edges can be laid. So I'm going to start off by spritzing my hair with water. Alright, I'm going to use my paddle brush and kind of just brush my roots because my hair was kind of slicked down to my scalp. So I'm just kind of loosening that up all the way around so that I can get it in the ponytail. Okay, I'm going to use a regular ponytail holder, a nice little tight one. Then I'm going to take my Wetline gel and go around my edges and on the back of my hair, all the way around like you put it in a ponytail. I'm going to apply the gel. Now I'm going to take my toothbrush and I'm just kind of bringing out my baby hairs so that I can lay them down. I like to do that before the gel starts to harden, and it's hard to get my edges out after that. So sometimes you can do this before you even apply the gel. Okay, now I'm taking my regular brush and just getting that nice and smooth, kind of laying that gel in my hair. And then that's when I'm going to take my little ponytail holder, and no, this is not a high puff. I'm just putting it back so that I can get my edges right before I put it in the ponytail. And I'm just going to take gel and put it on my edges so that I can lay them flat. Now I feel like I don't do nothing special with my edges. I kind of just swoop them back into the ponytail. Just kind of swoop them back into the hair. And that's about it. I do a few of those. And that's pretty much it. I don't have no little special way, but this is what works for me, and I think it's cute. Now it's easier to use a comb to get these edges straight, but I did not today. But now I'm going to take my Deman Brush and I'm just still trying to poof out my roots because, like I said, my hair was laid down. So I'm kind of just poofing that out so I can get it in the ponytail. This is a step you might not have to do if your hair is like freshly washed and stuff, but this is just what I'm doing. And it's best to do this on actually dry hair or like a wash and go after a wash and go where your hair is pretty thick at that point. Not when it's freshly washed and it's kind of limp and it's not as thick because it's still very wet. But I'm going to show you what not to do. Do not wrap that ponytail around several times, not even twice. That's not going to give you that high puff that you want. And I should have put it more at the top. But even if you do that at the top, it's not going to look like a lot of leave out of the ponytail. So you just take that Deman Brush all the way around. And then try to grab all the hair in your hands. And this is what you do. You put the ponytail around only once. That's how you get the thick high puff. Do not wrap it around twice. You put it around once. And it'll give you that thick, full, high puff look. And that is the trick. Now I'm just going back and fixing my edges that I might have messed up by brushing it into the ponytail. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, like the video. I would love your feedback if you would like me to do a certain video. Please comment down below and I will try to get that video out there for you. But it's very simple how to achieve a high puff. I will also have another video on how to do it if you have short hair coming soon. So thank you for watching.
I won't let